Hi there, today we're looking at the Easy Elite. The Easy Elite is our top of the line system. What I'm going to take you through, I'm going to take you through how to connect it. I'm going to take you through the benefits, the features, the benefits of the systems, and a little bit about the benefits of drinking this sort of water. This is our top of the line machine. It has many benefits. First off, I think probably the greatest component to this is its level of filtration. The combination of the level of filtration, the natural structuring of the water or energizing, and then the alkaline antioxidant water component, all combined in one simple, easy system to use.
Hi there, I'm just doing the editing now for this video and I realise it's probably a little bit confusing. So just to get it straight, the base of the pyramid is the structuring, putting the natural vortex structure back into the water. The second level up, this Easy Elite system has the highest level of filtration, which is reverse osmosis. And then the cherry on the cake is the enhancing of the water. So that's turning it into an alkaline antioxidant water. Obviously it runs past a lot of other beneficial minerals like calcium. It runs past tourmaline, magnesium, far infrared. So just really healthy energies put into the water to make it better. So I hope that sort of, clears up a little bit of the confusion. Cheers.
The system does have one downside to it, and that is the amount of space it takes up. So for those that are space sensitive, you need to be a little bit aware of that. The sizes of the tank and the system itself are on the website. So I suppose the best place to start is how to connect it. This little device here will tap into your cold water line under the bench. On a pipe like that, obviously it won't have this, but you'll have some flexi hose under the bench. What you'll do is you'll cut into that line, it'll go into there. Now that goes into around the back here in the red, and then we have on the back there's a wastewater, a drain pipe. So most reverse osmosis systems, for every litre of water they make, they waste between 5 and 8 litres of water. This system here, it has a pressure pump on the back that doesn't require any electricity, but what it does, it uses water pressure to build to force the water through the membrane, which gives you the highest level of filtration. And the benefit of, there's a few benefits around that little pump on the back. One, instead of wasting 5 to 8 litres of water for every litre of water used, it's a 1-for-1 swap. So for every litre that comes in, you're going to waste a litre of water, which in reverse osmosis terms is, it's 4 for 1 less than anything else, than the other best systems out there. So that's one of the benefits of the machine. The other great thing about this system is how easy it is to change the cartridges. These cartridges are just quick release cartridges, so they just unscrew. You shut the water off on this little dial here, and then just unscrew the system and go through and change the different housings. The housing is the cartridge, so it's just a matter of throwing the whole thing away. Right. I suppose one other thing about the system, it needs its own water line. It doesn't actually run through your cold water tap. So it comes with a very nice filter faucet or tap. Some people don't like to add the extra tap into their system. So what we do is we have a range of different taps. Now this is a regular hot and cold water tap, sort of semi-familiar. It actually, what it has is it has a little filter tap actually runs up inside it, and you can see there on the top there's two different nozzles, one for the regular hot and cold water, and then one for the filtered water. This sort of tap, and there's many styles of this particular tap. This is just one that we have. This allows you not to put the extra tap in. Obviously, buying the additional tap is going to cost some extra money, but for those that are looking for a more aesthetically pleasing outcome, that's probably the way forward. Now, as I mentioned before, this setup here that we have, naturally structures the water. So it uses one of these devices to spin the water like it does in nature, where the water's falling down, like falling down a mountain where it's dancing over the rocks, energizes the water. It has the highest level of filtration. So reverse osmosis takes almost everything out of the water. And then what it has is a remineralization cartridge with a whole lot of beneficial minerals like magnesium, calcium. It also has beneficial media in it like tourmaline, far infrared. And what these do is they put healthy, energetic frequencies into the water that help human health. And you know, so basically it's a three-in-one. It's a three-in-one combo. It's the top of the line system. You know, it's the water that I choose to drink. You know, the water that's produced is an alkaline antioxidant water. It has molecular or free hydrogen in the water. Hydrogen is what all the cells of your body run on, and you know, we've worked with top athletes, we've worked with all sorts of people that have had benefits with this sort of water. So, you know, this is the water that I drink, the Easy Elite system. You know, if you've got any more questions, please don't hesitate to call us and have a bit of a chat. My name's Jody, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you soon.